Hello everybody, this is King Tut here, and welcome to your very new tutorial series, Python 3. I won't be doing tutorials on Python 2 because sooner or later it'll become more outdated. So if you guys really want me to do Python 2, let me know in the comments below. So Python, the programming language itself, is a very popular language, and most of its popularity, if not all of its popularity, stems from its ease of use, as well as applications. A lot of applications have been done have been done using Python, and one of its application is machine learning. It's a very prominent application, and it's machine learning is basically um, it's a concept in AI where the machine learns um, and becomes better at doing that one task that someone is giving them that task to do. Also, Python is good at game development, and it's also good in embedded system, such as programming the Raspberry Pi. The Raspberry Pi is basically a single board computer, and it's a very prominent one because most people use Raspberry Pi for numerous things. And you could actually program Raspberry Pi just by using Python. Yeah, there are some steps, but that's not important. I'm pretty sure I'm pretty sure you guys could know some of the steps from the internet. But I digress. Unlike C++ and Java, Python is an interpreter. So C++ and Java are compilers. They're compiled language, which means if you wanted to run the program, they must compile first and then run the program. Python, that's not the case. You could actually run the program, and Python basically goes line by line until it hits an error or an exception. And once it hits an error, the program stops, and basically it just gives you an error. If there's an exception, the program also stops and gives you an exception. And Python is very easy to learn. It's as easy as HTML. Anyone can learn HTML, anyone can learn Python. And its syntax is far different from the Java and C++ programming language. So there's no semicolon, and indents matter in Python. So the video platform that I'll be posting Python in is in Odyssey and Rumble. So um, it's going to be my first time using Rumble for Python tutorials, and I look forward to using Rumble and Odyssey in upcoming videos for Python. The IDE that I'll be using is Pycharm. Yes, I know everybody uses Pycharm, but there's some parts that few people touch upon that I also touch upon that might be useful for you in Pycharm. And that's pretty much about it. Thank you so much. I look forward to making videos on Python. And if you have anything to say or any tutorial or any diving you'd like me to do, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Also, please leave a comment and tell me what you think of this video. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.